Hey everybody, in this tutorial video we are going to learn how to create table from Snowflake's official documentation. Creating table can get complex with complex columns and foreign keys and primary keys and auto increment. We're going to start from the very basic level and move to advanced levels. So once you log in into your Snowflake online, you would see this page. I'm going to click on a new SQL worksheet. So the database of interest is LangChain. So let's go through this database. It's got two schemas of interest, OpenAI demo, and OpenAI demo has two tables, and there's another schema called Tableau with no tables. Okay, so to start with, I wanted to create a table with one column which can accept string. So what I'm going to do is where it says no database selected, I'm going to click it, click LangChain and click on Tableau. Okay, and let's copy this code. So I'm going to paste it here. So what it's going to do is it's going to create a table, and the name of the table is video underscore demo, and it's got column 1 as name, and the data type is variable character. Okay, so and it's going to create it on the Tableau schema on the LangChain database because we've explicitly given it there. So when I hit run button, the table successfully gets created. Let's hit the refresh button here to see if it has been created or not. So it's been created here. Let's click on the table. It's got that one column with the variable character. Let's try to insert a value into this table. So insert into our new table name, which is video underscore demo values, and let's just say hello comma world. Okay, and number of rows inserted 1. It's successfully inserted. Let's try to see if the value got inserted. So that would be select star from video demo. Okay, and yes, we have a column called hello world inserted. Now the table got inserted under the Tableau schema. Let's say you want the table to be inserted on OpenAI demo schema. All you have to do is explicitly mention the OpenAI demo schema. So AI demo, and hit the run button. And right now we have locations and orders here. Let's try to refresh and see. Okay, we have the demo video here. Let's try to query the video demo table from OpenAI schema. It should be empty because we haven't added any values. The query produced no results. So let's copy this, come here, explicitly mention it has to go to this schema, and then we ran it, got inserted. Now let's run it again. Yes, so this is how we would create table in different schemas. Let's say you wanted to create a table on another database while you have something different here. You just have to mention that database name here with a dot notation, and it should work. Before we create our next table with complex data types, remember we just had one data type here. Before we do that with complex data types, let's look into all available data types in Snowflake. So we've got numeric data types which can handle 1, 2 or 1.0, 1.1 and things like that. The 1.0 or 1.2 would be handled by float. Integers would handle number, and then we have string, varchar. This is the one we created our table with. We've got text and things like that. Logical data types is true or false when you're evaluating for a condition. And date data types, this is just the date and time stamp, and this is a specific time zone. And semi-structured data is JSON data. So we've got all these data types, and with this we can create complex tables. Let's create one good table with most of these data types. So folks, let's create a basic table on the OpenAI demo schema. So let's think about a table which a gym maintains. It probably has a name, age, weight of a person, and then date joined. So let's use that to create our table. So we would have create table gym. Uh, let's say this is the name of your gym, and your first column is name, and since it is a string, it could be varchar. Second column is age, so let's call it a number. Third column is weight, since weight could be 0.5, 85.5 or 42.5, let's call it float. And let's have a date joined column with date character. Okay, now let's go through the data types. So we have a string here, we have a number here, we have a float here, and we have a date here. Okay, now let's try to create this table. So let's hit create, and then the table successfully got created on the OpenAI demo schema. So let's go here, tables, and then we have it here with all these columns. You can see date joined has a clock icon, this one has a symbol, this one has a number, float, and we've got data types here. Now let's try to insert values into this table. So let's do insert into gym Nordic values, and we know that the first one is name column, so it has to come under single or double quotes. Let's call it Tom. The second one is a number data type, so it could be like this, or it could go inside double quotes or single quotes, but let's have it like this. Weight is, let's say, 44.04, let's have it like this. And date of join, so for date format, Snowflake accepts YY, year, month, day, or day, month, and year. So let's go by the popular format, which is year and month and day. So again, folks, this one is inside double quotes, this one is inside double quotes, and this one, the date format needs to stick to a specific format, and these two need not be in double quotes. It's up to you guys to decide. So I've inserted one row. Now let's change Tom to Jerry, and change age, and then weight, and then Jerry probably joined 2 days earlier. And then let's try to see what our table has. Select star from gym underscore Nordic. We should have 2 rows, and we have 2 rows. Okay, the reason we wanted this and this to be number and float data types is we can write some functions on them. For instance, I could do let's say if I wanted to know the average. Okay, if I wanted to know the average age from Let's see what happens. Okay, it's giving us an average age. If we have more data, if we have more data, functions like these would be very helpful, and having the correct data type is also important. Let's say there are 100,000 rows and I wanted to know how many people joined in the month of January. It's just a matter of one line of code to extract that data from here. We'll be coming up with complex creation of tables in the coming videos. LinkedIn has a 15-minute deadline in the videos, so we will be making shorter videos going forward. Hey, I hope you had a educative session from one of our tutorial videos. Just in case if you're wondering how to get in touch with us, you can always email me at chris@analyst.agency, or you could visit our website, which is analyst.agency. Hit the get in touch button and plug in your details. Who we are a data and analytics consulting services. We worked in all three major cloud platforms: AWS, GCP, and Azure. We ETL data, we analyze data, we warehouse data, and we also include AI in our data. So if you wish to get in touch, please do, and let's have a discovery call. Thank you.